anterior cruciate ligament is basically anterior is stand for the front. Cruciate means the bundle which is crossed. Ligament is always like rope-like structure. It is a band of dense connective tissue which connect from femur to the tibia. It is a key structure in the knee joint because it resists anterior tibial translation and rotation load. It's ये जो है that is run inferiorly, medially and anteriorly. Origin इसका होता है it originate from the posterior medial corner of the medial aspect of the lateral femoral condyle in the intercondylar notch. The attachment is actually an interdigitation of collagen fibers and rigid bone through transitional zone of fibrocartilage and mineralized fibrocartilage. Basically ये जो आपका ligament है ये फाइब्रोन कार्टिलेज का बना है, कनेक्टिव टिश्यूज का बना है, एंड द अटैचमेंट जो इसका है दैट्स व्हाई it's always shared, force is applied over that particular ligament. Now the physiology, ACL is a microstructure of collagen bundle of multiple collagen के जो bundles हैं, multiple जो bundles हैं, that is made up of type 1 collagen fibers. But the matrix of and the network है उसका जो सारा का सारा जाल जैसा structure बना हुआ है, that is made up of protein, glycoprotein, and elastin system which multiple functional interaction. जो इसके bundles हैं, there are two types of components in ACL. First है smaller anterior-medial bundle AMB. Second है larger posterior lateral. This is clear now. Posterior lateral bundle PLB. ये जो bundles के नाम है according to their presentation and their attachment, right? Now the next is biomechanics. AMB यानी कि हमारा स्मॉलर एंटीरियो मीडियल बंडल जो है वो ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ फ्लेक्शन वो टाइट होता है. जो PLB है इस PLB which is a stand for larger posterior lateral bundle is tighten in extension. You can see in this one कि ये यहाँ पर as we already discussed कि वो intercondylar knot से होकर जाता है, and this is the now we can hardly people discuss about this nerve supply, but it is basically इसका जो blood nerve supply है that is a posterior articular branch of tibial nerve, और जो vascular supply है इसका that is medial geniculate nerve and the branch of lateral and medial inferior geniculate artery. I'm sorry, I said medial geniculate artery. It was not nerve. By mistake, I said that. Now the type of injury, as we already know, every single person who's actually already in this workshop, they knew this thing that ACL is one of the commonest ligament get injured during any kind of twisting, and again we'll discuss this thing, type of injury. ACL is one of the most commonest ligament, it get ruptured as I already discussed because the connection of this ligament is intercondylar, and this ligament is always carried a shear force. In any kind of loose pack position in the knee joint may cause the injury to this ligament. This is very common. This is very common with the any kind of twisted or semi-flexed knee joint, as we already discussed. There are three types of injury. Grade 1 is hardly impactable. Isme, what happened in this one? It's a mild stretch of the ligament, but there is complete. You can say like different way. There is ACL is a mild stretch, but still the ligament provide the adequate stability to the joint. So the person would not able to identify it is an actual problem or maybe a certain kind of a strain only because of some twist or maybe because of some kind of jump. The second degree or the grade 2 injury is in this one. What happened? All the ligament, all the tissues, almost like more than 50 to 70% of the fibers of the ligament get stretched, and that's why the ligament has become loose. So the ligament is not able to provide the adequate support to the joint. As we already discussed, it's help in the interior translation of the tibia. So because of this, people most of the time feel that like they might be fall when if they are walking or something and their knee is not stable, they always have a feeling of give way. The third injury is complete tear, which is like all the fiber are totally break or the ruptured. And in this one, there is another grade which I really don't think that it was relevant because it was a surgical, after that was under the surgical intervention, that is avulsion injury. In this one, few fiber, because of the force of contraction of the ligament, some part of the bone get chipped with the ligament side. Now we come for the actual topic, which we are ready to discuss in this uh, webinar, that is ACL rehabilitation. In this one, in the grade 1 injury, patient presentation is mild swelling around the knee joint. जब patient आपके पास आएगा तो कहेगा कि उसके घुटने में थोड़ी सी swelling है. Mild pain in the end range of the ROM. जब आखिरी का उसका आखिरी knee extension और flexion दोनों में उसको pain होगा. नो डिफिकल्टी इन वॉकिंग, उसको चलने में कोई पेन नहीं होगा, बट हाँ सीढ़ियां चढ़ने में थोड़ा वो पेन के लिए आपको बताएगा. एंड देयर मस्ट बी नो रेलेवेंस एक्सेप्ट एमआरआई. कोई और मेडिकल इसमें नहीं है. अगर आप लैशमन्स या कोई और टेस्ट करते हो लाइक एंटीरियर ड्रॉ टेस्ट, वो भी ऑलमोस्ट पॉजिटिव आता है, ऑलमोस्ट नेगेटिव आता है, राइट. तो इसमें हमारे गोल होंगे, द गोल्स फॉर एज अ फिजियो वी हैव टू सेट रिड्यूस पेन, reduce swelling, increase strength of the knee joint, increase muscle control, increase functional status. Functional status means he can run, he can walk, he can at least climb the stairs. Do's and don'ts. This is one of the most important topic once we were discussing any kind of rehab, because अगर आपका patient grade 1 में आ रहा है, if your patient is coming with the pain, if your patient is coming with the pain in grade 1, it might be possibility if he is or she is not following the don'ts, they might get into the trouble, and this grade 1 injury may lead to the grade 3. So we have to discuss the do's and don'ts. First of all, we have to ask that patient, he has to give that much of weight which is according to his pain threshold. He should not do any kind of cross leg sitting. He should avoid all the kind of stair climbing if it is possible. He should not do any kind of squatting initially, and depending on the type of injury. He should not do any kind of running for at least good 3 to 4 weeks. He should not try anything which is any kind of jumping or hopping or brisk walking. These are the don'ts. Do's are like he should keep going with the ice pack 20 minutes twice a day minimally. He should brace it around if it's possible. Whenever he's sitting for so long, he do his stretches. In ACL rehab, this is very important to go for the calf stretch as much as possible. The calf strengthening is important in this one, because if you have any kind of knee problem, your knee is going to get stuck and the blood circulation will be there and you might feel the swelling. So because of these reason, you have to keep going on with the calf stretches. ये हमने grade 1 जो था, that was the basic. Now we have to discuss about the ACL rehabilitation grade 2. In this one, patient, one second, I'm sorry, I just missed one slide. Grade 2. In this condition, patient presentation in grade 2 is basically joint effusion. There is a good swelling around the knee joint, tenderness around the knee joint, बहुत ज़्यादा pain on palpation जिसको हम कहते हैं, unable to move the joint, and there must be a good extension lag of 10 to 15 degree. Patient is not able to move. Patient is not able to move their leg in neither in flexion nor in extension. Protective bracing, because obviously if he's not able to walk or anything, you have to provide or maybe any orthopedic surgeon has to provide him the brace. An assisted device may not be for the walking. Now the goals: reduce the joint effusion. In this circumstances, if the joint effusion is more than this thing, or maybe look like a proper fluid accumulation inside the joint under the obviously medical investigation or radiological investigation, which shows under the MRI if there is a joint effusion of blood or maybe some blood or some extra fluid inside, we have to aspirate. Now we have to reduce pain. In this, it may be the acute pain, you have to go for the anti-inflammatory. Increase ROM, reduce swelling by the help of scrap bandaging, elevation of the leg. For the joint, reduce swelling, increase range of motion, active control of knee joint. That is like gait training, जो वो थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ थोड़ा बहुत चल पाए. Increase strength of knee joint, increase muscle control, so he can do certain kind of movement. Increase functional status. Functional status may be like aerobic activities, maybe anaerobic activities. You can count according to the patient कि आपको कब क्या introduced करना है basically. And then in this grade 2 level injury, patient has to go under the medical supervision. Either way, we can go for the modalical help as well for the pain and swelling. We can use ultrasonic in the swell or in the painful area. Even we can go for the IFT as well.